Okay, everyone. So hopefully, you have opened up a site that looks like this. So the first thing you want to do is title this your country name, whatever that might be. Okay. And then this is going to take getting kind of familiar with, all right? So you can customize this. There's these different layouts you can have. You can kind of pick between them. You can insert then pictures and stuff that you need. You can create like, you can upload images. You can select from what they already have. You can search images, whatever. Um, and it'll change backgrounds and stuff like that. So it's going to take a little bit of playing around, all right, if you've never done this before. So you can also create pages or a theme. Pages would be like if you looked at the Netherlands example, you know how she had pages at the top. You can do that, okay? You can add those pages. It's down here. You can't see it. There's a little plus sign button right here to like add um, a new page, okay? So that would show up then up here. So you can totally do that if you want to, if you prefer to have it organized. So maybe this one would be like your Adobe Spark, okay? Um, so when you go to add your Adobe Spark, um, what you're going to do is we're going to use this embedment code, okay? So an embedment code is going to make it so it's not a link, but like so the video will actually play on your website screen. So follow me here when you're done creating your tour. You will go to share it, and you're going to get the embedment code. Okay, so it's going to give you this crazy long code. All right, and you're going to copy that. You're going to go back to your website, and it'll want that embedment code. Click on code. All right, and it will pop up like this. Okay, so then you will insert that, and you can format that a little bit, and maybe the title of this page would be tour. Okay, so that's an example. All right, so let me insert another page, and we'll do Adobe Spark. Okay, so there's that. And I want to insert again, and I'm going to embed again. So then, and make sure not the URL, but the embed code. So then if you go to your Adobe Spark, okay, you're going to share it. You'll publish it. Cool. And see down here, it gives you different options. You're not going to do a link. You want to do the embedment code. Cool. So it gave it to me right there. I'll copy it. And then I'll go back here, paste it in, and bum ba da dum. Hopefully, I'm gonna insert it. It'll pop up eventually. Okay. So then I'll see it there, and all of a sudden, my um, site is starting to get nicely organized. Okay. Something else, when you have to insert your country project document, okay, that Google Doc that has all your research on it, you will embed that here from your Google Drive, okay? So it should attach that there for you perfectly. You can find it in your Google Drive. I don't actually have it on here because I'm on my personal account. Whoops. But you can get it from your Google Drive and you will attach it right there, okay? So that shouldn't be too hard. So, if you go back to all of the things that are required in your guys's website, so the Adobe Spark, the virtual tour, you guys should already have those made, so you really just have to embed them. Okay, so then you can do a page and you can type it in there exactly the 5 themes of geography. You guys should already have that done in your research, so basically you can copy and paste that over. You'll format it nicely. You can add some pictures. That would be good. Make sure then you have your crisis, your spotlight figure, and the explanation of your standard. You could do a page for that. Include some pictures. If you were able to complete your trifold and your ethnic dessert and your 3D object, I want you to take pictures of those things and put them on your website. Make sure that even if you didn't get those things done, you can still do the ethnic dessert. Put a picture of it and put the recipe. If you made it, include your own pictures. If you didn't make it, include pictures and a recipe from the internet, okay? But make sure you have it typed in there, not just like a link to a website, okay? But then that's going to be pretty much everything that you need put in there. Then the final part of it is mostly going to be organizing it so it just looks really pretty, right? So this is the beginning stages of it. Now, when it's all said and done, be sure, even if you're not finished, like the first time you're done working on it, click publish, okay? Whatever you can publish its website, whatever you want its name to be. This is similar to Google Docs, that every time you update it, it will automatically save and automatically update. Okay, the preview button is really cool because sometimes I'm like, it doesn't look how I want it to. Click on that preview button and you will see exactly what it will look like in real life. Okay, so those are some options for your country websites. Okay, now I need to get out of this. But once you're done, once you get to that publish page, oh, will it take me back? Cool. You can get here it is. You'll get the link, a shareable link. Okay. And eventually when it's time to turn in that website, you can publish that link. And again, every time I might ask you for the link, and if it's not done, that's okay, because every time you make an update, it will automatically update even if you've already got that link. So you would copy that link and attach it to Classroom to your assignment, okay? So hopefully this all makes sense, and be sure that you're checking out these student examples, because obviously it takes a little bit of playing around to get it looking really pretty, okay? So have some fun with it. Know that their requirements were a little bit different than yours, but go ahead and check them out. Get that done. Play around with it. I think you guys are all very, very capable of doing this, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Please be asking me questions if you need any help, okay? So hopefully that makes sense.